What's up, y'all? I was not planning on making this video today. I was actually filming a different video, but I found out that today Nikon just released a whole bunch of new creative picture control things that you can add on using the Creative Cloud. And I just wanted to go through them quickly so you could see them right away so that you could have a sense of what things we're looking at. So let's dive in. So Nikon has this thing called their imaging recipes, and these are something that basically you can bake into the look of your photos or your video if you want to get like a particular look and you don't want to have to do any color grading or anything after that. So it's sort of like the Fujifilm film simulations, it's their version of it, or Panasonic does something like this now too. It's great. And I think the Nikon ones are generally pretty fun to use, but some of them can be a little heavy-handed, they're kind of hit or miss, and people haven't really embraced them as much as they think they should. But Nikon just put out a whole bunch of their own creative looks using what they're calling sort of like their red matching kind of program. So they're trying to make this look like red cameras. Right now I am filming using one of those new ones. This is the Cine Bias. And I can't speak to how it looks yet because I literally just started filming with it, but staring over here at the little monitor here, it's looking pretty nice. I don't know, I think it looks good. So all we're gonna do here very, very quickly, we're just gonna show you what each of them looks like on me right now, wearing this hat in this environment where you see me all the time, and you can get a bit of a quick sense of how these all look and how they're different from each other. So let's go ahead and do that. Now, you might be asking yourself, why would I use this? Why is this important? Well, there's a couple things. First of all, not everybody wants to grade their footage. You might be one of those people, and maybe you want to get footage out really quickly, but you want it to look good. These are a great way to be able to achieve that. When I was shooting with Fujifilm, that was something that I really appreciated about those baked-in looks, but they weren't as versatile for video. And so that's what's really neat about this, is you can use these for video like we're doing right now, or you can use them for photo. And if you're using them for photo, what that means is that, let's say you want to have a batch of images that go along with video. You can be fairly sure that if you're using these, that you're going to match stylistically with the edit. And that means that you can blend video and photo together into some kind of multimedia, presentation. Multimedia presentation, what year is it? You can blend that all together pretty seamlessly. And that's actually really great if you are working on set and you want to do something like that. And so that's really interesting. And there's a lot that you can do with this, and I think there's a lot we can do in general as a community using Nikon. So I look forward to hearing what you have to say, and yeah, I guess we'll talk in the next one. Peace.